Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life. So you already know the drill, probably at this point. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that we did today, the food that we ate, the gardening that we did, updates on the house, and just the different things that I got done on this day. By the way, thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I've actually become low-key obsessed with Skillshare and I'll be sharing a little bit about it later in the video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you do like it. It really helps to support my channel and it lets me know, obviously, when you like a video. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know every time that I upload. So with all of that being said, let's hop right in. So I've spent the last few months eating no gluten at all. I've actually become more of a fan of oatmeal. So I'll probably share more of the oatmeal recipes that I've been eating lately soon in life as well. Let me know if you'd like to see that. By the way, if you haven't ever checked out Girl in Calico here on YouTube and you're just a fan of homesteading, cozy vibes, I'm telling you, you have to check her out. To those of you that don't know, this part of our house actually used to be a patio, and Dan has built it into a full separate room. So when the weather permits, he's still moving that project forward. This is actually a throwback to semi-sad times because since I filmed this video, the chickens actually broke into our greenhouse and destroyed all of our seedlings. Well, not all of them, but the seedlings that are in the beds. I'll give you updates soon, but on this day, I had no idea what was ahead of me. And I just watered all of our seedlings. So like I mentioned, guys, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Now, I'm a big believer in utilizing the time that you have to kind of like, get multiple things done at once. And lately I've been loving taking classes on Skillshare when I'm doing things like, folding the diapers or laundry or whatever. To those of you that don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and just get lost in creativity because, guys, you can find a class on basically anything. They have classes in illustration, graphic design, photography, creative writing, animation, music production, film and video, cooking, different homesteading and homemaking skills. It's really cool because you can learn skills all over the internet. But what I really appreciate about Skillshare is that every new thing that you want to learn is put into a lesson format. So it's pulled together and it's more of a cohesive, thoughtful learning experience. Skillshare offers membership with meaning. So with so much to explore, real projects to create, and the support of other creative people, Skillshare walks alongside you to help empower you to accomplish real life growth. So as you can see, I actually just got done taking a sprouting and microgreens class. I have sprouted before, but my knowledge is so minimal, or was minimal. I took this class and I learned so much. The whole site is curated specifically for learning, which means there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes so that you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you, which is very much how I operate. I like to kind of go with the flow of what I'm feeling inspired to learn. Oh, and this is crazy. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. So guys, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description box will get a free trial of premium membership so that you can explore your creativity. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'm obsessed with your site. This food that you're about to see me make was so good. It was upsetting, although upsetting is definitely the wrong adjective. It was just emotional, okay? So I decided to make these kind of like lasagna roll-ups almost. Dan sliced the zucchini into these thin strips, and then literally I just rolled them up, as you can see, and stuffed them with a meat and veggie mixture, and then topped Dan's half with cheese because I was not eating dairy. I'm on like an elimination test diet right now. Anyways, there are tons of recipes like with this kind of idea in mind, so I encourage you to look up these zucchini roll-up situations. Dan was obsessed, and like literally we both loved this. By the way, for dessert this night, we made a batch of our nut brittle. I actually have the recipe written down on my Instagram. So I think this actually might have been the next morning. I decided to chop up some sweet potato, poblano peppers, and red onions. I cooked the potato longer first, and then I threw the onions and the peppers in at the end with some smoked paprika, which smoked paprika is so good. I like it better than regular paprika because of the smokiness, obviously. And this was my snack platter. / breakfast maybe. I don't remember. Sometimes I just get footage of food and I want to share and I don't remember when I ate it. So I'm back in the room doing laundry again, folding diapers. And like I mentioned earlier, I often like to catch up on content at that point because my hands are busy, but my mind is not. So I like learning or even catching up with friends and family. Or on this day, Dan actually joined me for a little bit and Logan was asleep and we just caught up. Sometimes as new parents, even parents that are together a lot like Dan and I, you can still go a chunk of time without really slowing down and conversing. You kind of can just get caught up in all of the tasks. And so this was nice to just like sit with him and catch up in the middle of the day. I don't know. Is this awkward? I just set the camera down and hugged Dan, gave him a break from his building. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like I mentioned, please give it a thumbs up. Also, thank you again, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. And last but not least, if you are hearing my voice, check the info box because I do giveaways basically every video. On that note, I will hopefully see you back here soon with another new video. Bye, guys.